Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for the top 5 best espresso machine for beginner is Breville Bambino Espresso Machine. The Breville Bambino Plus is simple, speedy, and enjoyable to use. The user manual is easy with time. You can make rich and consistent shots for your guests. Perhaps, the most impressive feature is the Bambino Plus's ability to generate silky milk froth that closely rivals that of your favorite barista. You can opt to use the super quick auto froth setting or manually steam the milk when you want to make something special. The Bambino Plus also has a compact design and easily fits in any average kitchen cabinet. With the automatic steam wand, you can adjust the milk temperature and texture to your preferences. It's easy to slide off the base for cleaning and back on again. It also got a deep tray for water so no messy spills around you. An effective thermojet heating system makes this process easier and fast. As far as coffee goes, sweet, delicious, and nuanced flavors start with perfect water temperature. Using the digital temperature control technology, the machine precisely controls water temperature for perfectly balanced coffee extraction. Number 2 on our side is Philips Automatic Espresso Machine. If you want a super automatic espresso machine but don't have the budget for Jura, Philips 3200 is an excellent option. The front-loading system makes it easy to use. The water tank, drip tray, and coffee puck container are all accessible from the front and easy to maintain. Aqua Clean water filter is another feature that makes the Philips 3200 easy to use. If you brew 2 cups a day, you'll have to descale the espresso machine after 5,000 cups, which is about 7 years. Philips 3200 got its name from the Latte Go milk system. This is an automatic milk frothing system. There's a carafe that you fill with milk and attach to the machine. Choose the froth level you want, press a button, and the machine will froth the milk for you and automatically pour it into your cup. There aren't any tubes that you have to detach and clean. However, the frother only creates dense foam. There's no microfoam for latte art. Philips 3200 has a built-in ceramic flatbur grinder with 12 sizes. The grinder is high quality and will last for years. Third in our best espresso machine for beginners list is Gaggia RI 9380 espresso machine. The Gaggia Classic Pro improves on one of the best entry-level semi-automatic espresso machines available. Texture milk for a velvety microfoam perfect for latte art with a new commercial steam wand. Gaggia Classic Pro has a stainless steel body, commercial steam wand, and a 58mm portafilter, which you usually see on commercial espresso machines. Where most other machines have a 54mm basket, Gaggia Classic has 58mm, so you can add more freshly ground coffee and have a larger puck, which allows more even extraction across a larger surface. Gaggia Classic Pro has a single boiler and isn't the fastest espresso machine. It needs up to 5 minutes to heat up, but once it's ready, it steams in only 30 seconds. Plus, you can pull several shots one after the other, which is useful if you're making drinks for several people. This machine has 3 buttons that tell you when the device is ready for use. The water tank is 72 ounces, which is the largest on this list, and you can brew several drinks without refilling. Our fourth pick is Espresso Works Espresso Machine. With its stainless steel finishes, is a powerful machine that only looks great but also sits comfortably on any countertop. It is equipped with a front-view water tank that allows for easy and convenient monitoring of water levels, and it is relatively easy to operate. You only need to press the button, and the green light illuminates when your machine is ready to brew. When you turn the dial to the espresso setting and the espresso will begin to extract. The included spoon is a useful tool that makes it easier to tamp your beans firmly into the portafilter. The Espresso Works espresso machine is ready to use in less than 45 seconds, and the 15-bar pump makes it easy to create the perfect crema with a bold taste. It also includes a built-in steam wand to steam or heat milk to prepare your espresso drinks. You will find it impressive that you don't need to purchase any additional accessories when you buy this machine. Last in this list is Jevi Espresso Machine. For the true coffee connoisseur, the Jevi Espresso Machine with coffee bean grinder and steam wand provides everything they need to prepare the ideal coffees. It is the best espresso maker for home use and a wonderful wedding, birthday, or anniversary gift. For your desired taste with any roasted bean, the integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds with 30 grind settings to accommodate various demands. It delivers the ideal amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter. The temperature inside the funnel may be managed within the range of 197.6 degrees Fahrenheit to 204 degrees Fahrenheit with PID intelligent temperature control for more precise and stable temperature. PID ensures ideal espresso extraction by delivering water at the ideal temperature. The powerful steam wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art.